Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today I have taken a question INOMO National Math Olympiad. Determine with proof all negative real numbers x for which cube root of 13 plus square root of x plus cube root of 13 minus square root of x is an integer. We have to find what is the value of x for which this whole thing will be an integer. So let's start. First we will see that what should be the value of the x. It is written that it will be non-negative real numbers. So it is clearly visible that root x must be equals to define square root of x must be greater than equal to 0. Now let's take the whole thing as y, where let a equals to cube root of 13 plus square root of x and b equals to cube root of 13 minus square root of x and y be a plus b. I am not claiming this is the only method. I think according to me this is a easy process to show this. Now if I'll take cube both the side, I'll get y cube equals to a plus b whole cube. That will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. So if I'll put the value of a and b, certainly if a is cube root of this, a cube will be 13 plus square root of x. Similarly, b cube will be 13 minus square root of x. And here it will be 3 into ab into a plus b. A plus b I am getting 26. So for this time being, I am writing just 3ab plus a plus b. Now these two will be cancelled. So y cube equals to 26 plus 3ab plus a plus b. Now let us check this term ab. ab equals to square root of 13 plus square root of x and multiplies 13 minus square root of x. This is the cube root. So this will be cube root of 13 square minus x. That will be cube root of your 169 minus x. So y cube is equals to your 26 plus 3ab equals to 169 minus x cube root into y, because y a plus b I have taken as y. Now y is an integer. So when y is an integer, that means cube root of 169 minus x must be a rational number. So when it is a rational number, that means 169 minus x cube is a rational number. That means is rational. That means 169 minus x is a perfect cube. So let it be k cube. Let k cube equals to 169 minus x for some integer k. So x equals to 169 minus k cube. Now let us check. First condition we had already taken, x is greater than equal to 0, and here as x is greater than equal to 0, that means 169 minus k cube should be greater than 0, or k cube should be less than 169. So what should be the value? So we'll go for the values k when k cube is less than 169 starting from 0. So for k equals to 0, it's good. 1 holds good, 2 holds good, 3 holds good, 4 holds good, 5 also holds good. But when k exceeds your 5, there is a problem, because 6 power 3 equals to 216 is greater than 169. So we'll test up to 0 to 5. So x is equal to, first I am taking k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0, then x is equals to 169 minus 0 cube, that is 0, is equal to 169. That time y equals to your cube root of 13 plus square root of x plus 13 minus square root of x equal to square root of is 13, again 13, 13. So you are getting cube root of 26, 2 cube root of 26. So which is not a perfect cube or not an integer. 26 is not a, it is a not an integer. So k x is 169 is not a solution. Now k is equal to 2, k is equal to 1. That time x is equal to 169 minus 1, that will be 168. So that time y equals to x is equal to 168, then x y is equal to, you will put in this value, it will be, it is clearly visible that it is not a perfect integer. Y is not an integer. So y is not an integer. For k is equals to 0, k equals to 1. Let's go for 2. K equals to 2. That time x will be 169 minus 8, that will be 161. So that time y is not an integer. K equals to 3, x equals to 169 minus 27 is equal to 142. Y is not an integer. K equals to 4, that time x equals to 169 minus 64, that will be 105. You will put 105 in place of x. Y is not integer. k equals to 5, x equals to your 44, that time y is not an integer. That means there is no solution in our non-negative real numbers. So 3 cube root of 13 plus square root of x plus cube root of 13 minus square root of x has no non-negative real solution. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share if you like, and keep on watching, keep on learning, because there is no end of the learning.